Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to check who replied to your Snapchat story, whether it's text, emojis or Bitmoji reactions. So yes, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now tap your Bitmoji icon or the profile icon at the top left of your screen to open your profile page. Now under My Story, tap on your latest story. Once it opens, swipe up on the screen. This shows all the people who viewed your story. If someone replied to it, you will see their chat message or emoji reaction right under or beside their name. You can also check replies directly in the chats. For that, just go back to the main camera screen, swipe right to open your chat list, and look for the messages with the reply to your story tag. Tap it to view the full reply, reaction, or screenshot. And to make sure you never miss replies, go to settings. For that, you need to tap on this profile icon at the top left. Tap on this gear icon at the top right. Scroll down and go to notifications. And then tap enable notifications. And that's it. That's how you check story replies on Snapchat easily. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and comment below for more Snapchat tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.